Hello and greetings to all. In this video today, we are going to discuss about the details of the Diploma IFRS course and the eligibility criteria. Now, DIP IFRS course is a short term, in other words 6 months course, which can be undertaken and which should be undertaken by all the accounting professionals having an experience of 3 years and gain an international recognition, certification and exposure. IFRS are those standards which have been already accepted and adopted for the preparation of financial statements by more than 212 countries of the world. And therefore, it is all the more becoming legitimate and mandatory for all our accounting professionals to gear themselves up for this course, to have an understanding of what IFRS standards are and to get hold of this degree, which is becoming eminent and pertinent enough and important enough for them to grow up in their accounting careers. In India, at present, for all the listed corporates, it has become mandatory that their financial statements, whether annual or even quarterly, have to be compliant with IFRS or Ind AS. Which means again giving an indication that there is a scarcity of IFRS professionals, and for those who are wanting a big career leap, this is the course of the day. Now, IFRS and Ind AS courses are offered by many Indian institutions also, but DIP IFRS course provided by ACCA has been the oldest one which is being provided by them since the year 1996, and it has its global acceptance in more than 185 countries of the world. And furthermore, it is just one single exam. Again repeating, one single exam which can be given in a period of 6 months, can be cleared with 50% of success, 50% of passing percentage, and you gain that international experience, that international exposure and that international recognition. Now here I want to clarify that under ACCA there are 2 levels of this course. One is an IFRS certification and the other is the Diploma IFRS course, and there is a pertinent lot of confusion that happens. Now, IFRS certifications is for the beginners, wherein they are being tested on the basis of all the standards, but then the questions are the multiple choice questions and there is no experience, no work experience required under IFRS certification course. Whereas Diploma IFRS course is an advanced level course where this one paper would be a subjective paper. The eligibility criteria for DIP IFRS course is that if you are a graduate, whether you are a BCom or a BBA or a BBE, you need to have an experience of 3 years in the field of accounting. If you are a postgraduate, then that experience reduces to 2 years, which means that if you are an MBA or an MBE, then you need or an MCom, then you need an experience of 2 years. If you are a professionally qualified CA, CPA, CMA, then you can directly enter into it. And if you are a student who is pursuing CA, has completed the intermediate part of it, then your internship is considered as similar to the work experience that is needed. Now, DIP IFRS course, I would say, is the best investment, that is the need of the hour also, and the best investment to go in for, because you get immediate results and you can pursue this course along with your professional and your personal commitments. All you need to give is 30 minutes of your 24 hours of your day or 3 to 4 hours a week, and this would give you the results that you desire for, the career leap that you are aspiring for, the future goals that you are looking up to. Who am I? I'm Dr. Jasmine Kaur, founder of theshads.com, a comprehensive online learning platform, and I would request that if you have any doubts regarding IFRS, you're most welcome to let me know, and I'm there to clear your doubts. Till next video, stay blessed, keep smiling.